Bought a new tool today for the cheap tool arsenal. I'm going to unbox it here and give it a quick test. See what we think. Alright, I'm going to get this all laid out and see what we got. Alright, came with a couple consumables. And a fiber disc, cut-off wheel. The retaining nut wrench locks in there. We'll test it out, see how it goes. Gave up. That was inconvenient. Huh. Let me try another battery. Alright, I have my other battery. Let's see what happens. Well, I'll be. Well, that's not looking very good. Well, so far out of the box, I'm not terribly impressed. I've got a 4 amp hour battery. I'll give it a try. Alright, this one's fresh off the charger. Let's see if it's any better. I must have just been killing the batteries on the little 2 amp hour ones. But, you know, if that's some information that you guys need, here it is. I hope this little review helped. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see what I can do to help you out.